Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today's topic is borrow versus lend. A lot of people mix up the use of borrow and lend in their sentences. In today's video, I'll show you the difference between borrow and lend and how to use them correctly in sentences. I'll give you a clue on how to identify the correct time to use each of them, okay? Use borrow when you are receiving or collecting, okay? Use lend when you are giving out. When you are giving out something, use lend. Also, use borrow with the word from. When you see from in the sentence, use borrow. When you see to in the sentence, use lend. So, from comes after borrow. To comes after lend. Now, let's use this information to fill up these gaps. As we do that, you will get clearer understanding. Okay? 1. Could you blank me some money until tomorrow? In this sentence, what is the action involved? The speaker is asking someone to give him some money. So giving is the action involved. And when giving is the action, use lend. Could you lend me some money until tomorrow? 2. I usually blank books from the library, not from friends. In this sentence, the speaker says that he collects books from the library, not from friends. So the action involved is collecting. If collecting is the action involved, then use borrow. I usually borrow books from the library, not from friends. 3. She refused to blank her laptop to anyone. What is the action involved here? She refused to give her laptop to anyone. So giving is the action involved. Also, note that we have to after the word. So the correct word is she refused to lend her laptop to anyone. 4. He blanked his jacket to me because it was cold. What is the action involved? The sentence says that he was given a jacket because he was cold. Okay, so the action involved is giving. Lend should be the correct word. And this action happened in the past. So we use the past tense of lend, which is lent. He lent his jacket to me because it was cold. 5. Can I blank your notes from yesterday's class? In this sentence, the speaker wants to collect notes of yesterday's class from someone. So he is to receive note. So receiving is the action involved. That means borrow should be the right word. Can I borrow your notes from yesterday's class? 6. My brother never blanked me his phone. What is the action involved? Is it giving or receiving or collecting? Here, the speaker says that his brother does not give him his phone. So, giving is the action involved. That means the correct word is lend. My brother never lent me his phone. Now, the easiest way to identify when to use borrow and lend in a sentence is that if you put give in the sentence and it makes sense, then lend is the right word. If you put collect or receive in the sentence and it makes sense, then borrow is the right word. Okay? You can try it out with these sentences to confirm. 7. I forgot to return the pen I blank last week. What is the action involved? The speaker says that he forgot to return the pen that he collected last week. Okay, so collecting is the action involved. And the action happened in the past. So we use the past tense of borrow, which is borrowed. I forgot to return the pen I borrowed last week. 8. Would you blank me your umbrella for a while? What is the action involved? Someone is asking if he could be given an umbrella for a while. Okay, so the action involved is giving. That means the correct word to use is lend. Would you lend me your umbrella for a while? 9. They blank some chairs from their neighbors. The action involved is collecting or receiving. That means the words to be used is borrow, and the action happened in the past. So, borrowed. They borrowed some chairs from their neighbors. Also, look at this. We have from here. 10. She doesn't like to blank things that are expensive. She doesn't give out things that are expensive. So, giving is the action involved. In other words, lend is the correct word. She doesn't like to lend things that are expensive. 11. I blank a book from the library every week. What does this sentence say? Remember, we have from here. Here, the speaker says that he collects a book from the library every week. So collecting is the action involved. That means borrow is the right word. I borrow a book from the library every week. Now the last one. I did not return the novel I blank last month. I'll leave this one for you to answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more.